Hello, what's up, guys? I'm happy to be here again. Today, I will learn you perfect strategy for 5 minutes, and I introduce you perfect indicator in trading view. It's so profitable. Okay, go to charts. Before I start, please subscribe and turn on notification, and please like because your support is so help me. Thank you. Uh, Go to indicator, type SSL, find SSL hybrid developed by Michael 00. Add to chart and wait for load. Okay, go to setting, uncheck here, uncheck, bar color checked, baseline upper uncheck, lower uncheck, SSL2 uncheck, ATR plus minus uncheck. Okay, here the color of the candles changed and we see these arrows here. Okay, go to indicators again, type ichi, find ichimoku cloud, add to chart, go to ichimoku setting, uncheck these items, just plot background check and increase opacity here, and okay, setup is complete, and time frame is better for 5 minutes, and you can backtest for other time frames you like. Okay. How it works, the strategy is when we see the first uh, changing color of candles. Okay, for example for example here, okay, the candles are red or the candle is gray, and here is the first blue candle. Okay, if the candle is blue, first blue candle, and the candles are above the cloud, the color of cloud is not important. Okay, if the candles, if the first candle is blue and the candles are above the cloud, we can open position for long position. Okay, but here we are below the cloud. Here we can the red arrow. Okay, if we see a red arrow above the candle and the candles are below the cloud, we can open short position here. Okay, short position, close the candle, stop loss here, risk to reward ratio 1.5 or 2. Okay, here the target is taken. Okay, the candles guard is important. The first blue candle here, but we are below the cloud. Okay, so we wait for a better condition. Here is the first blue arrow and the candle is blue and we are above the cloud. Okay, we can open a long position here, close the candle, stop loss here, risk to reward ratio 1.5 or 1 2. 1.5 is okay. Here the profits. So here we are we see blue arrow and we are above the cloud. Open a line position again here and here, but our stop loss here is the first red arrow. We are below the cloud. Open short position 1.5 or 2 the profit, and we need to backtest and practice here. It's so easy and so profitable. And here is the first blue candle and first blue arrow, and we are above the cloud. It's strong signal. Okay, open the line position here, profit take, and here short position, here short position, here short position, and here line position but a stop loss take, here short position, short, and here long, and etc. Okay, thank you for liking and uh, subscribing and support. uh, you need to practice and backtest. See you soon. Goodbye.